females only breed with him, and you've got all these other males just sitting around just waiting for him to one day go, alright, I've taught you guys enough, you know, they all watch him how he does it.
Come on, have a drink, come on. Come on, open up, open up. Open up. Come on, mate. Oh, there's a little swallow. Come on.
One star.
So, John McDowell Stewart, on his 6th expedition, finally made it to Darwin, to a place we call Point Stewart. It was very hard travelling through the outback. Back then, they thought that there was going to be a large river system, similar to the Amazon or the Nile, flowing through the centre of the continent. They were wrong.